Are you ready to challenge your insurance knowledge? Let's dive into our ultimate quiz. Each question is designed to test your understanding of insurance concepts. You'll have multiple choice answers to choose from. After each question, I'll reveal the correct answer. Let's begin with question 1. 1. What is the primary purpose of insurance? Option A, to make a profit for insurance companies. Option B, to transfer risk from an individual to an insurer. Option C, to guarantee financial success. The answer is B, to transfer risk from an individual to an insurer. 2. What is underwriting in the context of insurance? Option A, the process of paying out claims. Option B, the process of assessing risk and determining policy terms. Option C, the process of marketing insurance policies. The answer is B, the process of assessing risk and determining policy terms. 3. What does policy limits refer to? Option A, the geographical area covered by the insurance. Option B, the maximum amount the insurer will pay for a covered loss. Option C, the duration of the insurance policy. The answer is B, the maximum amount the insurer will pay for a covered loss. 4. What is the difference between actual cash value and replacement cost in property insurance? Option A, they mean the same thing. Option B, actual cash value includes depreciation, while replacement cost does not. Option C, replacement cost includes depreciation, while actual cash value does not. The answer is B, actual cash value includes depreciation, while replacement cost does not. 5. What is a rider or endorsement in an insurance policy? Option A, a discount offered to certain customers. Option B, a modification or addition to the policy's coverage. Option C, a cancellation clause. The answer is B, a modification or addition to the policy's coverage. 6. What is subrogation? Option A, the process of calculating premiums. Option B, the insurer's right to recover payments from a responsible third party. Option C, the cancellation of an insurance policy. The answer is B, the insurer's right to recover payments from a responsible third party. 7. What is lapse in insurance? Option A, the policy is modified. Option B, the policy expires due to non-payment of premiums. Option C, the claim amount is being paid. The answer is B, the policy expires due to non-payment of premiums. 8. Which type of insurance provides coverage for professional negligence? Option A, general liability insurance. Option B, professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions insurance. Option C, workers' compensation insurance. The answer is B, professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions insurance. 9. What is co-insurance in health insurance? Option A, a fixed amount you pay for a covered service. Option B, the percentage of costs you share with the insurer after your deductible is met. Option C, the maximum amount you'll pay out of pocket in a year. The answer is B, the percentage of costs you share with the insurer after your deductible is met. 10. What is uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage? Option A, coverage for damage to your car caused by a hit and run. Option B, coverage if you're hit by a driver without insurance or with insufficient coverage. Option C, coverage for car repairs after a mechanical breakdown. The answer is B, coverage if you're hit by a driver without insurance or with insufficient coverage. 11. What is Medigap? Option A, the difference you pay in a doctor's bill. Option B, Medicare Advantage plan. Option C, a Medicare supplemental insurance policy. The answer is C, a Medicare supplemental insurance policy. 12. What is waiver of premium? Option A, premium is waived if you are unemployed. Option B, premium is waived if you have no claims. Option C, premium is waived if you are disabled. The answer is C, premium is waived if you are disabled. 13. What is the difference between named peril and all-risk insurance? Option A, no difference between them. Option B, named peril refers to identified risks, all risk to unknown risks. Option C, all risk refers to identified risks, while named peril to unknown risks. The answer is B, named peril refers to identified risks, all risk to unknown risks. The answer is B, proof of coverage. 15. What is business interruption insurance? Option A, coverage to continue operations after physical loss that generates income. Option B, coverage for employee legal fees. Option C, coverage for lost property. The answer is A, coverage to continue operations after physical loss that generates income. 16. What is errors and omissions insurance? A, another name for general liability coverage. B, protection from business fraud. C, protection from claims of negligence. The answer is C, protection from claims of negligence. 17. What is workers' compensation insurance? Option A, medical and disability benefits for employees' work-related injuries. Option B, reimbursement for lack of production. Option C, payment when employees retire. The answer is A, medical and disability benefits for employees' work-related injuries. 18. What is flood insurance? Option A, coverage for water damage on your home. Option B, coverage for natural flood damage. Option C, another name for homeowners insurance. The answer is B, coverage for natural flood damage. 19. What is title insurance? Option A, insurance for sellers of real estate. Option B, protection from losses due to illegal documents. Option C, coverage to guarantee home improvements. The answer is B, protection from losses due to illegal documents. 20. What is travel insurance? Option A, another name for car insurance. Option B, protection when traveling. Option C, protection for travel business operations. The answer is B, protection when traveling. 21. What is umbrella liability insurance? Option A, additional coverage when homeowners insurance is insufficient. Option B, supplemental liability. Option C, another name for personal liability. The answer is B, supplemental liability. 22. What are pre-existing conditions in health insurance? Option A, conditions covered by your health insurance plan. Option B, health conditions that require prior authorization. Option C, health conditions before your plan enrollment. The answer is C, health conditions before your plan enrollment. 23. What is COBRA? Option A, the right to continue health benefits. Option B, another name for long-term disability. Option C, protection for business health plans. The answer is A, the right to continue health benefits. 24. What is long-term care insurance? Option A, coverage for medical care at assisted facilities. Option B, supplemental medical. Option C, another name for life insurance. The answer is A, coverage for medical care at assisted facilities. 25. What is Medicare? Option A, coverage for hospital, skilled nursing, and home health care. Option B, protection for home doctor visits. Option C, coverage to prevent long-term illness. The answer is A, coverage for hospital, skilled nursing, and home health care. 26. Which of the following can be an exclusion found on an insurance policy? Option A, damage caused by your pets. Option B, earthquakes. Option C, damage due to acts of war. The answer is C, damage due to acts of war. 27. What's the difference between flood and hurricane insurance? Option A, flood covers water damage, hurricanes cover wind damage. Option B, both flood and hurricane cover water damage. Option C, hurricane covers water, flood only covers wind damage. The answer is A, flood covers water damage, hurricanes cover wind damage. 28. You have a health insurance policy that requires you to pay $500 before coverage starts. What is the $500 called? Option A, a copay. Option B, a premium. Option C, a deductible. The answer is C, a deductible. 29. Which of the following is not part of homeowners insurance? Option A, fire damage. Option B, water damage. Option C, flood damage. The answer is C, flood damage. 30. What is umbrella insurance? Option A, additional coverage on top of auto and homeowners insurance. Option B, protects you if you slip and fall. Option C, protects only in the state you live in. The answer is A, additional coverage on top of auto and homeowners insurance. 31. What is collision coverage? Option A, coverage when your car hits another car or object. Option B, comprehensive coverage. Option C, liability coverage. The answer is A, coverage when your car hits another car or object. 32. You backed into a pole in a parking lot. What kind of coverage do you need? Option A, collision coverage. Option B, comprehensive coverage. Option C, liability coverage. The answer is A, collision coverage. 33. You want to start a wedding photography business. What insurance should you have? Option A, errors and AMP, emissions insurance. Option B, general liability insurance. Option C, commercial property insurance. The answer is A, errors and AMP, emissions insurance. 34. You forgot to pay your insurance bill and had an accident. What happens? Option A, company pays for damages, your premium rises. Option B, insurance cancelled retroactively, pay out of pocket. Option C, grace period, company pays for damages. The answer is B, insurance cancelled retroactively, pay out of pocket. 35. What is a life insurance policy? Option A, protect children if their parents die. Option B, promises a payment to loved ones if you pass away. Option C, promises you wealth if you get old. The answer is B, promises a payment to loved ones if you pass away. 36. Do both term and whole life insurance policies expire? Option A, yes. Option B, no, only term life policies expire. Option C, no, only whole life policies expire. The answer is B, no, only term life policies expire. 37. Which does not typically affect life insurance cost? Option A, your age. Option B, your gender. Option C, your job. The answer is C, your job. 38. If you have student loans, what kind of life insurance might you consider? Option A 10-year term life insurance policy. Option B, a policy that lasts until the loans are paid. Option C, a whole life insurance policy. The answer is B, a policy that lasts until the loans are paid. 39. How is universal life insurance different from variable life insurance? Option A, no difference. Option B, universal life has fixed rate, variable life fluctuates. Option C, variable life has fixed rate, universal life fluctuates. The answer is B, universal life has fixed rate, variable life fluctuates. 40. Which insurance plan expands Medicare coverage? Option A, Medigap. Option B, Medicaid. Option C, Marketplace. The answer is A, Medigap. 41. Which one is not a Medicare plan? Option A, Part A. Option B, Part B. Option C, Part C. Option D, Part E. The answer is D, Part E. 42. True or false? If you have job health insurance, you can't buy individual insurance. Option A, true. Option B, false. The answer is B, false. 43. What does it mean to have dependent health coverage? Option A, covered by a parent or spouse's health plan. Option B, prove your ability to work. Option C, approval needed before seeing a doctor. The answer is A, covered by a parent or spouse's health plan. 44. Is health insurance available if you have a pre-existing condition? Option A, no, no company will cover you. Option B, yes, companies must cover pre-existing conditions. Option C, it depends on the condition. The answer is B, yes, companies must cover pre-existing conditions. 45. At what age should you apply for long-term care insurance? A, in your 20s. B, in your 30s. C, in your 50s. The answer is C, in your 50s. 46. What is not covered in long-term care? Option A, nursing homes. Option B, hospice care. Option C, cosmetic surgery. The answer is C, cosmetic surgery. 47. What is the elimination period? Option A, time you wait for long-term care benefits after claim approval. Option B, when insurance runs out. Option C, your eligibility for long-term care. The answer is A, time you wait for long-term care benefits after claim approval. 48. What is coinsurance? Option A, a fixed dollar amount for covered health services. Option B, your share of costs of covered health services. Option C, services not covered in your health plan. The answer is B, your share of costs of covered health services. 49. What is a premium? Option A, the amount you pay monthly for health insurance. Option B, a fixed dollar amount for covered health services. Option C, your share of costs of a covered health service. The answer is A, the amount you pay monthly for health insurance. 50. What is a deductible? Option A, amount paid for covered health services before insurance coverage. Option B, your share of covered health costs. Option C, a fixed dollar amount for drug services. The answer is A, amount paid for covered health services before insurance coverage. How did you score? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.